Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Laela Ainur Rokhmah. I want to show about the problem solving 3.5, the Cauchy theorem number 12. The problem is, if x1 greater than 0 and xn plus 1 equal to 2 plus xn power minus 1 for n greater than or equal to 1, show that xn is a contractive sequence and find the limit. The solution is, let xn be sequence that x1 greater than 0 and xn plus 1 equal to 2 plus xn power minus 1. This is also equal to 1 over 2 plus xn for n greater than or equal to 1. We want to show that xn is a contractive sequence and find its limit. We know from definition 3.5.7 that a sequence xn of real number is a contractive if there exists a constant c, where 0 less than c less than 1, such that the absolute value of xn plus 2 minus xn plus 1 less than or equal to c times absolute value of xn plus 1 minus xn for all n element of natural number. In our cases, we have that xn plus 1 equal to 1 over 2 plus xn and xn plus 2 equal to 1 over 2 plus xn plus 1. Then we have the equation. The absolute value of xn plus 2 minus xn plus 1 equal to absolute value of 1 over 2 plus xn plus 1 minus 1 over 2 plus xn. Then we even the denominator. Then we have 2 plus xn minus 2 plus xn plus 1 over 2 plus xn plus 1 times 2 plus xn equal to xn minus xn plus 1 over 2 plus xn plus 1 times 2 plus xn. This is less than xn minus xn plus 1 over 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 0. The same with 1 over 4 times absolute value of xn plus 1 minus xn. Since we have absolute value of xn plus 2 minus xn plus 1 is less than from 1 over 4 times xn, absolute value of xn plus 1 minus xn for any n in the natural number. Thus, sequence xn is a contractive sequence with c equal to 1 over 4. Then, the theorem 3.5.8 states that xn is convergent. Therefore, we have limit xn equal to x is such that limit xn plus 1 equal to x, and then we have x equal to limit xn plus 1 equal to limit. We have that xn plus 1 is 1 over 2 plus xn, so we have limit 1 over 2 plus xn equal to limit 1 over limit 2 plus xn. We get that x equal to 1 over 2 plus x. Then we apply multiplication. Then we have x times 2 plus x. We get x squared plus 2x equal to 1. And then x squared plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. We apply using ABC formula. Then we have that x equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 2 power 2 minus 4 times 1 times minus 1 over 2 times 1. Then x equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 8 over 2. Then we get that x equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 2. Then we get that x equal to minus 1 plus square root of 2, or x equal to minus 1 minus square root of 2. Since xn is greater than 0, so the value of x that satisfies is x equal to minus 1 plus square root of 2. Thus, we can conclude that the limit xn equal to minus 1 plus square root of 2. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.